Good morning. Exercise 15.4, question number 1. Give two examples of each. You have to do example of cube and cuboid. Cylinder you don't have to do. So write two examples of cube. Take out pencils and write two examples of cube in front of it only. 15.4, question number 1. Two examples of cube. Cube is a figure whose sides are equal. Same sides. Okay, it does not have height. It has only sides. Exercise 15.4, children. So many times I have told. I will tell you that you have to write. Be ready. Two examples of cube. Now, have you seen a Ludo dice? Yes. What is the shape of it? It is a shape of a cube. Yes. So, first example, you will write dice. DICE, dice. First, write dice. Second example, have you seen the Rubik cube? Different colors when you match the colors? Yes. Have you seen that? So second example is Rubik cube. RUBIK. You have to write in front of cube two examples. You have to write example 1 dice, example 2 Rubik cube. Ritisha, mute your mic. Two examples written of cube, dice, and Rubik cube. Then comes two example of cuboid. Cuboid is a figure which has sides as well as height also. Like, have you seen bricks? The bricks which are used to make houses. Now, there we have in the brick length, breadth, and height. All three things we have. So, first example of cuboid is brick. BRICK, brick. Manvi, mute your mic. Second example of cuboid is, have you seen a shoebox? In a shoebox, there is a height, there is length, and there is breadth. Basically, cuboids are the figures which are somewhat in rectangular shape, and cube are the figures which are in square shape, all sides equal. But in cuboid, we have the length, the breadth, and the height. So, second example of cuboid is a shoebox. A shoebox. Which example, beta, you're talking about? Look here in the camera. See now. Example of cube, dice, 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 Rubik cube. Example of cuboid, brick, and shoebox. Done? Now come on to second question. You have to here make a cube and a cuboid. Can you see the dotted line here? Can you see this box, a dotted line box here, and this a dotted line box here? These are the net of cube, means the here we can see that 1 centimeter. What is the question given? I don't have book, beta. You read the question. First, you have to draw the cube, na? Any measurement is given, or directly you have to draw a cube. Okay. So you have, okay, okay, okay. Then can you see this square? All these are cubes. We can see that sides are equal and they are looking like a square. So where the sides are equal and they look like square, they are the shape of a cube. So many cubes are there. Can you see? Similarly, now come on to the next question, that is cuboid. Now in cuboid, we have the height, the length and the breadth both. So here the boxes will be little rectangular shape, little bigger in shape. Why? Because they are in the shape of a cuboid, like a shoebox. Shoebox is like a rectangular shape. Yes. So here, can you see the figure? It is a figure of a cuboid. This you have to draw. Clear? So here cube and here cuboid. I will send you the PDF. It will be more clear to you. You will do these both questions in your fair copies just now. Exercise 15.4, question number 1, example of cube, example of cuboid, and then question number 2, the net of cube you have to draw. I will send you the picture. You can see and draw it clearly. All right. Any other doubt in this exercise? Only these two questions you have to do. Okay. Cut rest of the questions.